Hi everyone! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today, we will make a popular pasalubong, the Otap. Otap is an oval-shaped puff pastry cookies from the Philippines. It is common in Cebu, where it originated. It is a popular pasalubong and can be bought in souvenir shops, supermarkets, markets, and even in different bus stations in the Philippines. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the dough, we will need 1 cup of plain flour, half cup of cold unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of cold water, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the filling and topping, we will need 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the plain flour and salt. Give it a mix. Then add the butter. Cut it into the flour using a pastry cutter until coarse crumbs are formed. Then add the cold water and mix them together. Now, using your clean hands, gather the dough. By the way, if your dough is too dry, just add a bit of water, a tablespoon at a time. Wrap the dough with cling film. And freeze it for about 30 minutes, or you can pop this in the fridge for 1 hour. After 30 minutes, transfer the dough onto a floured surface. And using a rolling pin, flatten the dough. And fold it and flatten it again and fold it about 4 to 6 times. Then, wrap it again with cling film and freeze it for another 30 minutes or 1 hour in the fridge. After 30 minutes, put it back onto the work surface. Sprinkle some flour on top and sprinkle some flour onto the rolling pin and flatten it into a rectangle about 1/4 inch in thickness. Then trim the edges. Brush the top of the dough with the melted butter. Then, generously sprinkle the white sugar. Then, roll the dough into a log. Cut the dough into portions about half to 1 inch each portion. Now, flatten each portion until it becomes so thin. Then, transfer it into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then, brush it with the melted butter. Sprinkle sugar on top. And pop it in the fridge for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, bake this in a preheated oven of 190 degrees Celsius for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, reduce it to 150 degrees Celsius and bake it for another 15 minutes. And after baking, turn off the oven and leave the Otap in the oven for 20 minutes. And here's our finished product! Otap is flaky and delicious and a perfect afternoon snack. I hope you'll give this a try. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!